Hey, it's Vanner. It's Thursday, and you're listening to Finding Frequency. Whoa, what end of the week already? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Time flies. I don't think we always kind of take into account how fast time actually passes us by, especially when we kind of doing planning. I remember this project I'm working on currently when we did the initial planning. It felt like such a lot of time, or I got pressure that I'm taking too long to do things. But it also takes people a lot of time to actually get things done. So, wow, time's really sped up for me a little bit, and it feels like we're heading towards nearly the end of the month. Not yet, Werner. We're only halfway, but lots to do. And today was kind of the same thing. A lot of bureaucracy, not related to projects, but more Polish government stuff that keeps myself and Marta a little bit baffled, and sometimes also stressed because some of these systems make no sense. You pay on the one side, they take on the other side, and yeah, I mean, I'm not complaining. I know it is kind of true for all bureaucracies everywhere. We need to pay pay our dues, but then sometimes it's also really hard to understand what those dues are and how to pay them. Most of the times, how to pay them confuses me. But yeah, everything is moving forward. Francie is feeling much better. I think we're doing the right thing, keeping him out of the kindergarten, and just taking things easy. Just easy. Your body needs some time to recuperate, and that's exactly what he's doing at the moment. And he's getting more and more chipper by the day. So that's always an indication that he's feeling better. And then, as I mentioned yesterday, my social media feeds remain cluttered with news from my country, from South Africa. I have no idea what's going on there from a truth perspective. What is the real truth? But I have to say, as someone sitting out here in Europe, a lot of the reports that I'm seeing is disheartening, but has a definite positive spin on it. A lot of people are speaking out against some of the looting going on, but then also a lot of people are kind of rolling up their sleeves and getting involved to rebuild the country. And that is a South African thing. Just don't know how many times we can kind of work together to rebuild it. But hey, if you look at my son's room, we're rebuilding that room and cleaning it up time and time again. It takes as many times as it will take. And I think that's the South African way. But definitely seeing a little bit more of a positive spin to something that is a bit of an uncomfortable situation, which is heartening and inspiring, to be honest. And yeah, that is kind of the notes I'm on at the moment, and we'll have to see how the rest of the day plays out. We're supposed to be going to football today or this afternoon. We'll see if the little man is up for taking on a practice session. And also, I'm quite excited. We bought him the correct size ball. It's actually funny. Marta and I had a soccer ball here in the house, and we looked at it, and it says S on it. And he went to practice a few times, and I did notice it looked like his soccer ball is much bigger than his compatriots' soccer balls. And the coach actually pointed out to us, no, that is not a S, it's a 5. He's supposed to have a size 3 or 4. So we went out and purchased him a new ball. No wonder the little guy couldn't kick goals. The ball was too big and too heavy. Anyways, things like that happen. Good stuff. So remember, take some time to reflect and think about the extraordinary in your life. Thanks for listening.